Student, I hope you are well. By the grace of God, I am also well too. My dear student, everyone wants to communicate with others. If we want to communicate with some point, like we can communicate with others by writing or by speaking. So, my subject or my topics is letter. Letter. My dear student, now we can know how to write a letter of your own words. So, my dear student, at first you collect some point about your topics. Like my topics is the importance of reading newspaper. The importance of reading newspaper. To our friend, my dear student, every student at first collect some point so they help them to write easy about the topics. My dear student, newspaper, some point here. Look at the poster paper. Here, benefit of reading newspaper. Benefit of reading newspaper. Next point, storehouse. My dear student, you can make a sentence with this word storehouse. John, newspaper is a storehouse of knowledge. Next, mirror. My dear student, you can write newspaper is the mirror of the world. Next, condition of the country. We can know the condition of the country. Next point, broaden, but widen. We can write newspaper help us to broaden our knowledge. To be wise, newspaper help us to be wise. Next point, my dear student, upgrade. If anyone read the newspaper, he will be upgrade. Educative value. Newspaper has educative value too. Then help to the job seeker. A newspaper help to the job seeker to find their job service or advertisement from in the world. My dear student, if anybody do not read the newspaper, he is like a pot in the oil. Next, plays an important role. Newspaper plays an important role in our life or in our modern life. My friend, this point you can use in your letter about the importance of reading newspaper. Here my student, when we write a letter, the importance of reading newspaper, my student, at first you write your place name like Hussainpur, date. My student, my dear, S means any name, Salam, Shapur, etc. Then at first take you my love, hope that you are well. I am well too. I am very worried to know that. My dear student, the studying point you can start in other way. That's not a problem. Then here you can use your collected point. That's here the posted paper. My dear student, when you finished the writing, then you can write newspaper is a storehouse of knowledge. So we can learn many things by reading newspaper. A newspaper supplies news home and abroad. It is a mirror of the world. We can learn also on the condition of the country. Broadens. A newspaper help us to broaden our knowledge. If you read the newspaper, you can upgrade you. My dear student, you write also point. If you do not read the newspaper, you are like a pot in the oil. So you must read the newspaper. If you think that's enough point, you here come to the next point. No more today. My best luck to you again. Then your Shiva, then your name. My dear student, here you can write in your own words, own way. I don't want to say that you must write this point. No. If you like it, you write it. If you do not like it, you can write it of your own words. Because the modern world is creativity. So any student should be creative. If you write here, no more today, my best regards to your parents and love to all. It is your wish. My dear student, really, when you want to write any subject, any topics of English, you must at first collect some point. If you collect some point, you can write paragraph, any letter, any composition, etc. It is very important in our life. Modern life is communicative life, so you must try to find out a new words. My dear student, if you write this point and more this point, it will be passage, newspaper. If you write more and more point, it will be composition, newspaper. So you can write anything. I hope and I want you try to write of your own language. You should not write, but you should not read in the written or book by any guide. My dear student, I hope, আমি আশা করি my point you throw it and it will help you to any subject of English. My dear student, I hope, আমি আশা করি you should not go out without any necessary. Always try to keep at home and safe in your life in the time of Corona. My dear student, no more today. Thanks.